YouTube, today I have an unboxing from e-bike, so I'm just going to open it up, and I'm really excited right now, so let's just open it up. Okay. One second. Alright, so first we have this swing adapter for my gun. Some paper. Oh shit, this is sick. The magazine. This is, I guess, one of the free ones for my KWIM16. This is really awesome. .28 PMag. What is this? Oh yeah, this is the lip for one of my gas magazines. Calendar, they I guess throw that in for free. Oh, this is awesome. 18% off coupon code. I'll use that later. The order form, and it all cost, I don't know, it doesn't say, but I know it's over $400. Type war barrel for this M16. Are you sure? Alright. See if there's anything else in here. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, this is for the scope mount. This is the scope mount for my KWI M16. Alright, so, yeah, nothing special about this. Another free mag. A sticker. Some more PMags. Some screws, apparently. Alright, just opening up some of the PMags right now. I'll open up the gun in a second. Okay. So let's get to the gun. Really excited. Oh my god. Alright, so this is the KWIM 16A3. This is freaking sick. The manual and stuff. Oh my god. This is awesome. This is sick. So this is the gun. It's an amazing gun so far. KWI sticker, manual once again, the cap, Allen keys, front side adjustment tool. This is a LiPo ready thing, the mag for it. Alright, so that's the unboxing. Oh, and an unjamming rod. So what I got is the gun, the magazines, papers and stuff, alright, so thanks for watching.